HUGH presents a new generation Leverpresso. With Leverpresso Pro, there are no more boundaries. Enjoy fresh barista-like coffee anywhere and anytime you like. Leverpresso, a fully manual espresso machine capable of consistent extraction with over 9 bars of pressure. A modern design combined with supreme performance and ultimate portability. More precise, more elegant, made to last. The next generation cafe-style espresso everywhere you go. Its fully modular design allows for quick and easy assembly and thorough cleaning. 2 mm silicone insulation ensures maximum heat retention while minimizing burn zones. 6 years of research dedicated to creating not just another coffee machine, but the best portable espresso maker on the market. Leverpresso Pro is manufactured in accordance with highest quality standards, using newest cutting-edge technology. Every piece is individually assembled and tested, designed by coffee enthusiasts for every modern home barista. Leverpresso Pro, the smallest lever espresso maker in the world, makes extraction simple, smart, and easy. Add coffee grounds to the basket and tamp. Fill the chamber with hot water. Slowly lift the levers and firmly press down. Use the built-in pressure gauge to adjust the pressure to maintain ultimate control over your extraction. Enjoy barista quality espresso in only 2 minutes.